How to start an FBA business with as little as £100. Stay tuned, guys. Hey, what's up guys, my name is John. Thank you all very much for tuning in. Today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your very own Amazon FBA business with as little as £100 investment. I'm going to show you exactly how you can treble your money using my preferred method known as online arbitrage. But before all that, I just want to say something, and that is people are scared to do FBA, and this is because of this speculation that you require a massive investment before you take this leap. That is not true at all. Having a large investment does help, of course it does, but that is not the key component to starting Amazon FBA. In fact, it is not the key component to starting any business ever. I'm not sure if you're aware of this case, but there has been cases, very well known cases, that people have won the lottery, a substantial amount of life-changing money, and they are now having to work a full-time job because they have spent it all. Yes, they may have had a great 10-year, decade-long party, but because they weren't smart with the money, they have now wasted that opportunity to really change their life, and they are now working a normal job. I believe the key component to this is in fact education, and what I mean by education is not you have to have a college degree. I mean you have to be willing to self-educate in every respect of this. You have to be self-disciplinary, you have to be willing to learn, and also willing to set aside the time required in order to do this. It is not always about money, it is not always about having the upfront cost. You can start very, very small. If you have a small investment of £100, then you can do this. Now you have two choices. You've got £100 spare. Do you put it in the savings or do you invest it? Think about that. If you have £100 per month to spare, do you save that and at the end of the year you have £1,200? Or do you invest that £100, turn it into £300, and then turn that into £600, and then turn that into £900, and just continuously recycle? At the end of the year you may have £5,000 or £10,000 and also a very scalable business without having to invest any more money. Well, my answer to that is you're doing both. Essentially, you're smart saving. With investing your money smartly and wisely, you are actually saving money in the long run with a much higher return of investment. But anyway guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how I would invest my first £100. I'll try and find as much profit as I possibly can without actually going over £100, and I'll be doing this using my preferred method on doing online arbitrage, and that is using the Facebook marketplace. It is such a golden opportunity in this day and age. So I'll switch over now. So if you're familiar with my channel, then you may be aware that my video series £100 or more in 1 hour or less, this is not exactly that. I am not putting a timer on this. Usually I do find products within an hour, okay? And the truth is that if you take an hour out of your day, then you can do the same, and you probably be very, very surprised at the kind of profits that you can find in as little as an hour. But I've already had a little look and I have come across this right here, which is the Futurama DVD box set. This is a complete box set and it is brand new and the box still sealed. Now this is something that you will get quite a lot, just keep your eyes out for it. And I'm going to check it on Amazon and see how that goes on Amazon. So this is it right here on Amazon. It sells brand new for £49.99. Okay, so the selling price on Facebook was £20. And it has got 94 customer reviews. Helium 10 is not working with this particular product. Helium 10, again, it's a bit hit or miss with that. It doesn't always work for some reason. It's a bit annoying, to be honest. I may just pay for Keepa. But I'll just check. It's got a BSR of 16,589 in TV, so it has got a reasonable BSR. It will sell, I'd probably say it would sell within the month at that sort of BSR, maybe a little bit longer, maybe a little bit less. For £20 you are getting a profit of £19.46, excluding, well, including the fees, sorry. So straight away you've pretty much doubled your money. Okay, so for £20 you're getting a return or a net profit of £19, and that's a good start. So I'm £20 in, so that leaves me £80. Let's see what we can find with £80. Okay, here's another thing that's caught my eye, is a WWE Royal Rumble box set. Now this is used, but apparently all discs are in perfect condition. This is the complete anthology and they're selling it for £30. So I'll check it on Amazon, see how it goes. Wow, okay, so this does sell really good, and used from, okay, so this is used and it sells for £149.99. I was looking at these ones here that are used for £6, etc., but these are actually one disc editions. These are a part of this anthology, whereas this is the complete anthology with 20 discs, and there's only one here and it is used for £149.99. Again, Helium 10 is not working for this. Thank you, Helium, but it doesn't matter. If we go down and we look at the BSR for this specific one, this is for the anthology edition, this is not for any other, this is a complete anthology. The BSR for this is 3,801 in sports, 15,816 in DVD box sets, or just box sets in general. So again, I really believe that should sell within the month. Those kind of BSRs, that should sell within the month. That is an amazing find. So £30, and your net profit after fees is £94.46. Okay, so that is amazing. That is a great find. So it just kind of shows you you can definitely double and treble your investment. But that's £50 we've spent already, so that leaves me another £50 to go and find some products. So I'll go back again, see what else I can find. Okay, something has really caught my eye here, and I think this could be one of those very golden nugget items. This could be an amazing investment, and it is this right here. It is this right here, the BT8600 quad cordless phone. Okay, so this has caught my eye because I have actually sold a individual one of these. This is 4 of them, and I have sold a individual one of these on Amazon. It sold pretty much within the first week of it touching the warehouse, and I made some really good profit on this. This is 4 of them, and it is brand new in the box, still sealed, and it's selling for £40. So I really believe there's a lot of money to be made in this individual listing, so I'm going to check it on Amazon. And yeah, just as I expected, guys. Wow. Okay, so the quad handset pack right here is selling one new for £229. Okay, so that individual was selling it for £40, brand new in the box. It's got nearly 2,000 customer reviews, so that straight away tells you these are very quick sellers. Okay, the one that is listed here isn't even prime. It is not even prime. So yeah, you can definitely put that in as prime, and you could probably up the price on that, to be fair, if you put it in as prime, but you don't have to. You wouldn't have to be greedy. You can see here the single handset pack was the one I actually sold initially, and it's selling used for £51.99. So let's check this out. Helium 10 is working for this one, and you can see right here in the last 30 days this is sold several times per month, which would indicate several times per week. And the profit for this after fees is £170.44. Wow. Okay, that is the net profit. That is an amazing find, and that is definitely a golden nugget item. £40 and £170 net profit. Okay, so I'm £90 in, and I've probably got a full return of about £400 now. The net profit would be touching around about £300. So yeah, it just really goes to show you guys, and it shows you right here 26 BSR in DECT phones and answer phones. So yeah, 26. That would sell within the week. Especially being prime, it would sell within the week. So I'm going to go back and we'll have a little chat, guys. So yeah, guys, there you go. It just goes to show you how easy it is to actually enter into this market. Now, I'm not saying that Amazon FBA in any way, shape or form is easy. It is certainly not. It is a tough game. But it can be very easy to profit from if you just learn how to do it. If you learn the platform and hone in on your skills on actually searching for profit and judging if an item is selling, if it sells quick or not, by looking at the BSR and by looking at the selling history of the item. So many different factors come towards this, including your customer reviews and even your questions. These are all indications that this item is indeed a selling item. With the BSR selling history, this would give you an indication of how quickly your item will sell. But the fact remains is, if you are wanting to start this, then start now, okay? You do not have to have thousands and thousands in the bank. You do not. You can start very, very low and just keep feeding the beast, so to speak. Keep feeding Amazon with stock. Always recycle your money back into the business, just back into buying stock, and I guarantee within a year you're going to be sitting in a very different position than what you are now. But anyway guys, I am out of time for today. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing, that way you'll not miss a thing. And as always guys, thank you all very much for watching. Take care, and I will see you all later. Goodbye.